In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off automatic relisting on eBay. So to stop auto relist on eBay, watch this video. I will show you how you can do that in just a few seconds. Now, the thing is when you turn this off, after 30 days, I'm going to click now on selling. Just move your mouse to my eBay in the top right. Here you will see like multiple options here, including bids, offers, watch list. Now you just need to click on selling, okay? So after you click on selling, you want to click here, you want to focus on listings, okay? You want to click on listing, move your mouse to listings, and then click on active, okay? So after you click on active, you will be able to find all your products here. So if you want to turn off auto list on multiple products, you can just select them here, 1, 2, 3, okay? Now after that, you want to click on edit. Now after you click on edit, you want to click on edit selected, and after that you will be able to find here multiple options. Now you just need to again select all of them and then click on bulk edit and then click on auto relist. Now here is the place where you can either allow auto relist or don't allow auto relist. So that's exactly how you can do this, okay? Just you can either, like I said, enable it or disable auto relist. You can also you can do this here. If you just select the product, you can, if you see here quick action or anything, like click on it, probably you will see something like disable auto relist, okay? So that's all you need to do. So when you disable it, you have time to edit the prices. Of course, if you want to list the product only for a month and then it disappeared from your eBay, you can do that so that you can make changes to it, change the description. Don't wait, like you can just, like, it's not going to relist itself or to upload itself on eBay automatically. So you can just turn it off, and then you have the time to do that manually, or you can make changes to it before pushing the product again to eBay, okay? That's the main purpose of auto relisting on eBay, okay? So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Make sure to drop a like, and if you have, like I said, any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you.